Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best stick welders review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Vogin 200A Stick Welder. This Vogin 200A Stick Welder is a versatile and portable 2-in-1 welding machine, perfect for home DIY projects and light professional use. Compact in size, 23 by 18 by 11 centimeters and equipped with a US plug, it's easy to carry and set up anywhere. This machine supports both arc MMA and lift TIG welding, offering flexibility for different metal types and projects with a 12-arc current and pilot arc feature. It ensures smooth, stable welding and precise control. The hot start function makes arc ignition effortless, even for beginners, while the digital display allows quick and accurate adjustments. CEC certified and built with durable components. It's reliable and safe for regular use. If you're looking for a compact, multifunctional stick welder that combines convenience, efficiency, and performance, the welding machine is a fantastic choice. Ideal for hobbyists, the welding machine is a fantastic choice. Ideal for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, and small-scale welding tasks. It delivers consistent professional quality results every time. Aliexpress Stick Welder. This Aliexpress stick welder is a powerful and versatile machine designed for both beginners and experienced welders with dual voltage support, 110 by 220 volt. You can use it almost anywhere, whether in your garage, workshop, or on-site. It features advanced IGBT inverter technology for stable performance and energy efficiency. The hot start and arc force functions make striking and maintaining an arc much smoother, reducing spatter and improving weld quality. The lift TIG capability adds extra flexibility for different welding needs. The LCD display makes it easy to monitor and adjust settings, while the compact design and US plug make it convenient and ready to use. If you're looking for a welder that's portable, beginner-friendly, yet capable of delivering professional results, the Aliexpress is an excellent choice with its dual voltage, modern features, and reliable build. It's perfect for home project choice with its dual voltage, modern features, and reliable build. It's perfect for home projects, repairs, and light fabrication work. Number 3. Oukitel Stick Welder. This Oukitel stick welder is a versatile and powerful welding machine perfect for both home use and light professional projects, supporting 140A, 160A, and 200A output. This anti-stick technology prevents electrode sticking. The VRD switch provides electric shock protection, ensuring both efficiency and security. Built to last, this welder is ideal for small welding tasks and offers long-term durability. The Oukitel stick and lift TIG welding machine features 2 welding modes with one-touch automatic switching, suitable for welding stainless steel, mild steel, and other metals. This machine comes with a durable electrode holder, earth clamp, and welding rod, so you can start welding right away. It handles a wide range of welding tasks with ease. With arc and lift TIG 2-in-1 functionality, you get flexibility to work on different metals and joint types. The IGBT inverter technology ensures stable current, efficient energy use, and smooth arc performance. Built-in hot start makes striking the arc easier, reducing electrode sticking and improving weld quality. Its portable design allows easy transport and storage, making it ideal for workshops, garages, or on-site repairs. Number 2. Simder Mini Stick Welder. This Simder Mini Stick Welder ARC 200 is a compact yet capable welding machine perfect for home projects and light professional work. Weight just 4.98 pounds and measuring 8.7 x 3.4 x 5.7 inch. It's incredibly portable without compromising performance. Powered by advanced IGBT inverter technology, it offers stable arc control and an impressive 85% efficiency with dual voltage 110/220 volt support. You can use it almost anywhere, and its 60% duty cycle means it can handle longer welding sessions with ease. It's compatible with popular electrodes like E718 and E6013 and can work on mild steel, stainless steel cast iron and more. The digital display makes current adjustment simple, while Hot Start ensures smooth arc ignition. If you need a lightweight, efficient and easy-to-use stick welder for repairs, DIY builds or hobby projects, the Sim Arc 200 is a solid choice that delivers reliable performance at a great value. Number 1. Hitbox Ultra Mini Stick Welder. This Hitbox Mini Stick Welder Arc 200 is a compact yet powerful welding machine designed for home and small workshop use. Despite its small size of just 31x15x25 centimeters, it packs serious performance thanks to its advanced IGBT technology. This welder supports MMA arc and lift TIG welding, making it versatile for different projects. It also features hot start and arc force functions, ensuring smooth arc ignition and stable performance, even for beginners. The LED digital display makes settings easy to read and adjust. Built with a durable body and CE certification, it's a reliable choice for DIYers and hobby welders who want professional results without a bulky machine. If you need a portable, easy-to-use and efficient stick welder for home repairs, metal crafting or light fabrication, the Hitbox Arc 200 is an excellent choice. Affordable, user-friendly and durable, it's a solid investment for any welding enthusiast.